Changing your battery out, and this is on a 2013, it's a Raptor, but it's F-150, it's the same thing. It's super easy, but if you come in here to grab this battery and it doesn't move and you're like, how do I do it? There is a bolt, a really long one on this side. Would you hold that right there? Right here. And then you see that this sides, you see the sides are sloped, so hold this. So the sides are sloped down like that against the battery. So there's a wedge, and as you tighten that bolt, it pushes the battery over, and there's a lip on that side that catches it, and that's what holds it. So if you back this out, you can just move the battery, pull it this direction. It'll come right out, and we'll swap and put a new one. I'll show you what it looks like after we pull it out, but let's back that out. All right.
How did I?
I don't know, but this is all you do.
What size is that, Jake?
This is an 8mm. That's a good point. And we're pulling the wedge right on up out of there. Oh, there we go. That's probably, actually, I bet that's enough. Let's find out. Okay, so actually, we should have taken these off too. But see the battery's loose now?
No, we don't want those off yet.
We don't want those off yet?
Because we're playing with the...
Oh yeah, we're trying to do this.
Quick.
Yeah, okay. Bring it up even further. No, not yet. A little more.
So pull it up out of the way, all the way, or?
I don't think it. Well, maybe it will. There we go. It's out.
Maybe, I'm not sure.
Maybe. All right, there we go.
Aha!
There it is. And I'm wearing gloves because, you know, I don't get battery acid. It melts clothes. So that's that. I'll put this on the ground where I don't care about the battery acid. And
so now it slides over towards you.
Yep.
And then it will lift out of there eventually.
It will. I'm gonna have to get a little better leverage. We'll do that in a second. Let me get a better leverage spot here, and we'll take these off too. So I think this is better leverage. There we go. Yep. That thing is totally caught on that edge. Oh, sheesh. All right, now let me set this down, and I'll show you what that looks like in there. Okay. Okay. Let's get a light on the subject. Okay, this is what we're talking about. See the lip on this side? This is where the battery slides under this, and this angled part just has that wedge. It just pulls it down and squishes the battery over. And that is how you change the battery on your F-150. 2013, it'll range a bunch, but that's it. We'll show you how to put this back in, but really, just a little tip, you probably already know this. Get yourself one of these and clean the terminal. If you're changing the battery, and there's no reason to put it back in here with all the corrosion. It gets corroded no matter what. And this is just a cool little tool that it's got a brush on one end, and then this other side goes over the terminal. Let me show you. If you don't have one, you should get one. So look at, let's say I was reusing this battery. Look how disgusting that is.
That's disgusting.
That's disgusting. And let me show you what happens after I do this. Look how beautiful that is. That's what you should be doing. We're gonna do it on the new ones too, just to make sure. All right, and then we'll put it back in. All right, beautiful. Look how much better it is when there's a stinking handle. See that lip right there? That's what we're talking about. So, now, oh my gosh.
Do you have it pointed in the right direction?
I do. Yeah, that's another good tip.
Put it in the correct way.
This cable doesn't move much at all. There we go. Okay, awesome. That's in that. Yeah, stuff's touching. So we'll put these back on, then I'll show you the wedge. So when you put this back in, see how that has a lip on that side? And this is smooth on this side? The smooth side goes back against this, and what I would do is just slide this in here and drop that straight down until you feel it enter the hole. And you can tell I didn't put that skirt, that blanket back around it. It was disgusting.
It was all soaked up with battery acidy, corrosion-y gunk, so we did not reinstall the blanket.
No, so I gotta kind of tuck this battery without touching it, touching the wrench on it. I should have done this first. Make sure that's pressed back that direction. And then you just take this, and you do righty-tighty, and it's just gonna keep going down until it's wedging that battery over against the other wedge and pressing down on this side. That's starting to get tight. Oh, there we go. That's tight. No Snapple. And then since this one has this awesome handle, you can check it. That's it. Okay, that's it. Tune in for more awesome tips. It's Uncle Jake. This man back here is Dr. Torque. Here you are, cameraman. On behalf of Mowers and Mischief, we're gonna wish you a really good rest of the day. Take out fishboat friendship. Whoop-ow. All right, hey, it's Mowers and Mischief, Uncle Jake, Dr. Torque. Can't take about fishboat friendship. Whoop-ow. Was that as fast as I could do it? I should get a speed record.
Did you do the outro magic fingers?
Oh yeah. Taking you out, dude.